Obviously jet lag because she's asking for snack already. Please, Papa.
Papa.
So after 24 hours of traveling from Malaysia to Singapore and finally in Barcelona, we have checked in to our temporary Airbnb. This is a temporary stay for 4 nights. It is super cold because it is winter right now. I was super freezing when I came out from the taxi van. We have just arrived at our Airbnb. The one thing I forgot, my jacket. Super cold. So all good so far. Sylvia has been a great host. She showed us around, got me practicing my Spanish as well. This Airbnb is located in Sant Cugat. It's a good taste of how living here would be like. It is my mom's first time to Barcelona as well. She'll be with us for 5 weeks. So we took Singapore Airlines because we wanted to make sure that we are abiding to Riley's schedule. She didn't sleep that much, but all in all it was good. She and I were taking turns looking after her. So we were initially looking at 120 kg of check-in allowance, but I bought 10 kg extra because we knew we were going to exceed it, but the actual weight was 143 kg. So thankfully the system had a further allowance for us. Airport transfer cost about €100 per taxi van. We have 5 big luggages, 3 boxes. They recommended 2 taxi vans, a total of €200. So it's fine as long as we get here in one piece and with all our baggages arriving as well. So thank God for that.
Good morning, buenos dias.
Buenos dias. This is your first breakfast on a proper timing at 8:30 AM in the morning. See. So in this move, we have not found an apartment yet. Shane and I will be looking at some apartments in the next few days. If we don't find a place as soon as possible, we're gonna be homeless, and we can't let that happen. Good morning. It is our second day in Barcelona on our journey to view a couple of apartments, but we have to find one fast. So far, Shane and I have viewed 3 apartments. We have 2 more to go. Shane just got a quick stop to get a Cafe Caliente. I think we have found the right one, which is furnished. Price is just right. So we're gonna see 2 more and then decide by today itself. On to the next one. Let's go. We've looked at some of the apartments, found 3, hopefully pick one by today or early morning and move in by Friday. That's the plan. It's a little bit risky. We went to a commercial spot to see prices of some appliances because the houses that are furnished or semi-furnished will require us to purchase some big ticket items like the fridge, a washing machine. So they cost around €400 to €500, which is pretty expensive as well. We are on our way back right now. My mom is looking after Riley. Champion. Thanks so much, Mama. So after a whole day of viewing apartments, we are glad that we have achieved a major milestone on the second day itself. Finally booked and confirmed our apartment in Barcelona. Yay! Hopefully move in by the next 2 or 3 days. Furnish the place, go to IKEA, buy some furniture to call this place our home. Good morning, it is day 3. Beautiful weather, clear blue sky. Shane and I are heading to IKEA.
That side, no?
Oh yes sir. Oh yeah, it's the site.
Barcelona, Plaza Catalunya, día 2.
So we are about 20 minutes away from IKEA. It's just over there. But right now we are going downhill, which is fine. But if we're gonna walk back to the station from IKEA, it's gonna be uphill. So what do you think?
Oh, can we find back?
KB5?
Yeah.
We are now at the kids section in IKEA looking for furniture for Riley's room. And we also need to get my work desk and a dining table and chairs. So after viewing the apartment for the second time, we decided to just take it, pay the deposit, and it is ours. It's secured. So milestone achieved. We have found an apartment for us to stay in Barcelona. You happy or not? Yes. Fourth day in Barcelona. We're still waiting for the contract of the apartment. We wish the contract would be ready today because we're checking out tomorrow. Worst case scenario is we will only sign the contract tomorrow on Friday. That means I will need to leave some of our luggages with my colleague who is living nearby. Then move in on Friday, sign the contract on Friday, get the keys on Friday. Latest news on Thursday night, we are unable to move into our apartment tomorrow on Friday, and tonight is the last night of our Airbnb. I have to move out. I'm gonna bring all this into Esther, your car if you're watching this. Thanks so much in advance. So we need to move all these luggages to my colleague's storage space for a bit, who lives like 2 minutes away from us.
No, cariño, ya veus. How are you gonna move tomorrow?
Move? Emma, slowly. Thanks Shane so much for packing and doing all the work. I am just bringing us here and doing some of the administrative work, but Shane is the person who have packed everything. I did help a little bit here and there. Thanks to Shane so much for doing this with me and for doing this for the family. So if you like what you have just watched and you like to follow our adventure here of our little family in Barcelona, you know what to do. I'll see you in the next one. Adios!